Dokploy is a self-hosted deployment platform for developers who want Vercel-style convenience without giving up control of the server. It deploys apps, databases, and Docker Compose stacks, manages domains and SSL, and shows logs and monitoring from one dashboard. Setup is simple by self-hosting standards. Run the installer on a Linux server, then manage deployments through the web interface. Official requirements call for at least 2 GB RAM and 30 GB storage. That is fairly light, although the lightest is hard to prove without consistent benchmarks. For apps, Dokploy supports Nix packs, Heroku build packs, and custom Docker files. It also handles Docker Compose plus MySQL, PostgreSQL, MongoDB, Redis, and MariaDB. Git deployments, environment variables, preview deployments, templates, logs, and resource monitoring cover most small team needs. Control is the big attraction. The self-hosted edition is free, and you bring the server. Dokploy can also manage remote servers and Docker Swarm deployments. Managed cloud starts at $4.50 per server monthly if babysitting the control plane stops feeling like a fun weekend project. Backups are surprisingly capable. Dokploy can back up its own database and file system to S3, schedule database backups, and protect Docker named volumes. Bind mounts are excluded from volume backups, so choose storage carefully before your server performs an unscheduled disappearing act. The catch is responsibility. Self-hosted updates are manual, and you still own server security, storage, backups, uptime, and troubleshooting. Recent releases have included security fixes, which is another reason not to install Dokploy and then forget its existence for 2 years. This is my final verdict then. This Dokploy is one of the strongest lightweight self-hosted Vercel and Heroku alternatives for developers already comfortable with Docker. Compose support and multi-server management stand out. It is not zero maintenance, but if Kubernetes feels like bringing an aircraft carrier to deliver a sandwich, then Dokploy is much easier to justify. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe.